Long essay on myself. Introduction. Throughout the world, many different types of people have different personalities. A person's personality is what makes them different from each other and makes them unique from the crowd. That's why it is important to be able to define the characters as one's own. A look at my personality. As a student, I am very simple, and do my best to attend every class in my school. There is a group of friends I am close to, but Arya is the best and truest friend I have. As a student, I am involved in all the extracurricular activities of the school, and I do well in all of them. I am a very good academic performer, as well as a very good athlete. When it came to my homework and classwork, I never left anything incomplete, and I preferred to finish them before going to sleep. It is a habit of mine to read the newspaper every day. The majority of my time was spent lying down in the park with a book in hand. I am also a very attentive student in class most of the time as well. Aside from that, I am also very organized when it comes to my work. As well as being a responsible individual, I am also someone who has a sense of sympathy for others. When friends or classmates need help, I am also there to help them. My loving family. I live in Canada. I have a joint family, and I live with my grandparents, uncle, aunt, and cousins. Among my only brother and 2 sisters, I am the youngest. All of us go to the same school. My father is a teacher, and my mother is a businesswoman. Both of them are passionate about their occupations. I am fortunate to have a broad-minded and open-minded family. My family always encourages me to do my best in all areas of my life. They teach me moral values and help in making important decisions. As we celebrate each festival together with my family, I have a great time spending with them. My dreams and goals. As a person, I have had a lot of success, and I have had a lot of failures as well. All of these experiences have taught me the importance of rising again and striking again to succeed. My hobbies are painting, reading, and dancing. Nothing makes me happier than reading. Among the things I enjoy reading the most are novels and history books. There is a small part of me that is fascinated by online gaming. I rarely play games on my personal computer or mobile device. Many people dream of becoming doctors or lawyers, but I have always had a dream of becoming a writer. Since childhood, I was keenly interested in reading books and creating imaginative stories. I don't know when this passion is converted into my ambition. There has always been a robust support system from my parents when it comes to my dreams and ambitions. Conclusion. Write about myself. There have been many times when even those with high intelligence quotients have had difficulty answering a question like this. However, it is impossible to sum up a person in a few sentences. But it is important to know what we should tell about ourselves. It will be also helpful for self-evaluation. I hope the above provided essays on myself will be helpful for you in writing articles or paragraphs on this topic.
Like, share, subscribe, please.